Hello everyone, I'm Stuti Kansal of BSc Forensic Science 3rd year of NIMS University, Jaipur, Rajasthan. Recently, I've completed my 1-month online training on Forensic Science and Research program organized by Applied Forensic Research Sciences, Indore. I must say that it was an incredibly enriching experience for me, and I'm very grateful for AFRS team to provide us with such valuable knowledge and resources. Through this program, I learned about the basics of forensic science and also got the guidance of Mr. Rakesh Mia sir to write my very own first review paper. A very big thanks to AFRS team for organizing this event. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Mullai Mala. I'm studying second year BSc Forensic Science in GTN Arts College, Dindigul, Tamil Nadu. I have done my 1-month internship in AFRS Institute, and the lectures given by the specialist experts are very good, and I have learned many things by many attempts to. And I also need to appreciate AFRS team. They guide. Then thank you.
Hello, good evening, ma'am. Myself, Manjot Kaur, MSc Nursing in Obstetric and Gynecological Nursing Department, working as a assistant professor in Shekhar Singh Strabha College of Nursing, Srapur, Ludhiana. Firstly, I thanks to the organizing team, Megam ma'am, Rakesh sir, for organizing a very wonderful event, virtual training program on forensic science and the research. As the subject is new to me, but I learned a lot after the training program. I learned about the basic technology scope in the upcoming future, and I also learned about the how to write a research article. The most important crucial part according to me for the training is the task or the assignments on which the organizing team evaluating us and giving us certificate for the program. Thanks.
Good evening everyone. Myself Twinkle Sharma from NIMS University, Jaipur, Rajasthan, pursuing BSc Forensic Science. First of all, I would like to thank Rakesh sir and team AFRS for providing such a wonderful session. An online training program of 30 days on virtual forensic science and research program. In this, we are able to acquire knowledge about basic forensic science and what are the knowledge about different branches of forensic science and what are the scopes of forensic science field, an introduction to crime scene investigation, forensic laws, and research paper, review article, and book chapter. What are the basic differences between these three, and many more. This was a very wonderful session, and thank you.
Greetings to all of you. I am Akshita Khandevar from NIMS University, and I am also AFRS intern, and I am first year BSc Forensic Science student. First of all, thanks to Mr. Rakesh sir and his AFRS team. My experience of virtual internship program is very nice, and these all credit goes to Rakesh sir. We would done many tasks during the session, just like make the presentation and submit into the PDF form and also video form. And we would also submit the difference between a research paper, a book chapter, and a review paper, and also submit the review paper. And again, thanks to all of you.
A very good evening to everyone. Myself, Dr. Diwakar K. I am the senior resident from the Department of Forensic Medicine and Toxicology. I am a AFRS intern. My intern ID is AFRS VAP 24011. So first of all, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to all of those who contributed to the success of the virtual forensic science training and research program. I extend my heartfelt thanks to my trainer, Ms. Shrutika Singla, and mentors who shared their expertise and knowledge and guided me throughout the journey. I would also like to thank my fellow participants who provided valuable insights and feedback. Finally, I appreciate the support and encouragement provided by the management and staff of the organization, especially Mr. Rakesh Mia sir and Ms. Megha Jain. Their unwavering commitment to enhancing our skills and knowledge in the field of forensic science and research is truly commendable. And I wanted to tell about the 5 days professional session taken by forensic psychology and former director Dr. Rakesh Gupta sir, and I wanted to they are eminent speakers who have given us a wonderful talk regarding the professional future trends in forensic science. And also Dr. Sudhir Yadav sir, who is from the Department of Forensic Medicine and Toxicology. He is also an eminent speaker who gave us a very good talk on mechanical injuries, and also a 3-day session for cyber forensics. It was a very awesome subject, and I'm very excited to see this kind of demonstration given by sir. And I wanted to thank Mr. Rakesh Mia sir, who gave me this opportunity to take up this 1 month training program. And I wanted to I wanted to thank everyone who supported me in this. And in future I will join as a volunteer in the AFRS programs in the upcoming sessions. So I am very thankful for this organization, and this organization will go up definitely because of sincere efforts taken by Mr. Rakesh Mia sir and the training coordinators, Ms. Megha Jain and Shrutika Singla. And very much thank you for everyone for giving me this wonderful opportunity. Thank you.
Greetings everyone, I am Sanskriti Rani Sharma, currently pursuing my BSc Forensic Science and Criminology in the Anna Fatima College of Arts and Science in Madurai. My intern ID is AFRS_VIP24_051. As being a part of 1 month virtual training program organized by AFRS, I am overwhelmed and very excited to give my feedback about the same. As we all know, we have came through various mentors and experts who are being invited as speakers for the training program, and from their expertise, from their expert speech, and from their valuable knowledge, we are having a huge bucket of knowledge and experience that we gain in this virtual training program. So I just want to say this training program has been an asset and a great achievement in my life, and I will never forget it. Thank you.
Good day, sir or madam. I see it's Tanishka Rao, an intern at Applied Forensic Research Sciences. I'm a third-year forensic science student from RBBR Women's College, which is affiliated to Usmania University in Telangana. This feedback is going to be about the internship program, which offered a thorough explanation of forensic sciences and research topics through its extensive theoretical context. As diverse subjects were included in it, it helped in understanding the field better. Despite being conducted online, the internship program managed to maintain an interactive learning environment. While the focus was primarily on theory, the internship could benefit from including practical components or hands-on exercises. Overall, the exposure to expert insights through guest lectures provided us a learning experience and ensured the program's effectiveness in preparing participants for careers in forensic sciences and research. Thank you.